Hello guys, let's start with the coming week outlook. So we will first go over the calendar. So yeah, last week we do have NFP on the Friday, but there is US government shutdown is going on. So that NFP, reschedule to this Friday. So what do we have? We have FOMC on Wednesday, 2 p.m. and Friday also we do have non-farm employment change. So these two are high impact news. So also the news wise, the market, the volatility is looking good. And for the USD, US pairs, we have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We do have news. And for Euro and GBP, we only news have on the Monday itself. So what will our plan? My plan is to look for trades opportunity on GBP JPY on the Monday if any opportunity get present. And for the US pairs, I'll stay a little bit cautious. Why? Because we have FOMC on the middle of the week, Wednesday, and Thursday is the day prior to the NFP. Also, these are tentative. That means this can be rescheduled. There is no absolute certainty that it will, the news will come out on the Friday. So, in my experience, I am experiencing this first time. So we'll see how this week, this week price action is developing, and we'll look to take trades basically. So yeah, let's come to the dollar. Okay, let's analyze starting from the monthly because now we are at new month. So what we have done, the previous candle took the liquidity. Okay, and also it taken the liquidity of this previous candle also and the short term low also. Okay, so we were expanding to the downside, and this is basically a consolidation move, expansion to the consolidation, and one side of the range has been taken. So I am expecting drawn liquidity for the monthlies towards this high, previous month high, as well as this high. These are range highs. This is range low. This is range high. Okay. So this is my drawn liquidity. And if this candle wants to expand, what it needs to done? It needs to open, came down first. So why? Bullish candle, this is how it forms. Okay, so now the monthly opened and now the price is coming down, coming down. So yeah, the profile is also supporting the idea. Let's come to the weekly. What do we have? Okay, last week we are expecting bullish price, but price didn't expanded. And what we are doing here, this is basically one inside bar. So this candle is inside this big candle. Okay, still we can expect, but how we can sweep previous candle low and move higher. Okay, this can be possible. We will see how this week is developing because from here I have nothing to say this week, the coming week will expand. I don't know because on the weekly it is an inside bar. So one scenario I told you, if I am bullish, I want to see open low, then price should expand. Okay, this is my expectation. If you come to the daily, what do we have here? We are basically consolidating. Why? See this clear highs. This can be the good target. Also, I mark this fair value gap. Okay, liquidity and fair value gap. Very good drawn liquidity. Okay, so what we have done, uh, we came to this order block. If you see, this is the order block because it retested this fair value gap. Price close above it. So basically, we are respecting. This is the respect candles because see this weak candles. Price is weakening. That means what? Respecting this candle. Okay. Now, when this candle is respected, this candle is supposed to expand. It expanded and it came to where? It came to the daily fair value gap. When it came to the daily fair value gap, it retraced downside. Now, basically, we can say price is neither bullish nor bearish. Okay, we are trading inside this range. This is a range. So what do we need? We need one side to get manipulated. Okay, either we need first we need price to go and break this high and close off, then we will look to target. First thing. Second, what do we need? These are low resistance. See these stack lows. If you come to the 4 hour, you will see. See these lows. These lows are not relevant lows. You're getting my point. Okay, this low and this low are relevant. This low and this low are relevant because the gap. Okay, but see these lows. The gap are so less. So this can easily, price can easily get sweep this one, and it can continue to upside if it wants to. So there is now we have waiting game. We have to see how the weekly candle is developing. Let's suppose Monday came down, Tuesday sweep this range. We can look to take buy on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday towards this range high. So dollar, I am now neutral, and but I am bullish on dollar also, I can say. But now, as per daily price action, I am neutral. I want price to show some kind of price action here so that I can, yes, the dollar wants to continue. Let's come to the Euro USD. So what are we doing in Euro USD? Okay, so Euro swept this high, also swept the previous candle high. So we failed to expand to the upside, and also we are rejecting from this monthly fair value gap. So what could be the target? Price came to this gap. If you see, there is a monthly gap here. Okay. So from open, price came down, retested the gap. Now it's showing some kind of expansion move to the outside. Monthly, I am not clear. Moreover, this kind of showing bearish price action. Here gap is supporting bullish price action. So neutral price. Okay. Come to the weekly. What do we have? Also, we expected downside move, but we didn't do that on the last week. Price expanded to the upside. So what do we have? We have a kind of swing formation. If you see candle 1, candle 2, candle 3, and we are closing our this down close candle. So Euro USD is showing some kind of bullish move, but it would be too early to say. And yeah, if I am expecting bullish price action dollar, then euro supposed to go down. So we have to take the confirmation, and how we will take weekly profile. When this week will develop, we will see if price wants to go up, it should come down first, then it expand. Okay, if it wants to go down, then it will open and go high, then do something like this. Okay, so it is a waiting game now. And yeah, this swing formation is showing the bullish price action. If price wants to go to the upside, it should respect the 50% of this candle. If this 50% get disrespected, we will look to target the downside. Simple. Okay. Come to the daily. What do we have here? Same thing. We swept this low. Okay. So here, this is the expansion move to the low. Now what we are doing? Expansion move in. This is expansion also. If you see that we have the fair value gap, but now we are consolidating here, consolidating between this high, this fair value gap, and this fair value gap. Okay, now what is this price action? This is a trap price action. That means price is supporting bullish PDRA, bearish PDRA. So what we will do? We will wait for either side to get taken out. Simple. Okay. So come to the 4 hour. What do we have? We have pure range here. If you see, okay. See this thing. We have expansion to the lows. Okay, if you see this one, what I am seeing here, expansion to the lows, expansion to the highs. That means what? This is a V-shape reversal. If this is a reversal, what we can expect? We can expect continuation. Sorry, consolidation. Now consolidating. Okay, price sweep the low, consolidation range low taken. So we can target this high. So for short term, it is looking bullish to this highs, towards this highs. Okay, after that we will see what is the price wants to do. but this signature showing continuation move to the upside. That means it is negating the dollar, dollar to be bullish. So here also we have to wait. If you see, this is a big consolidation range low, range high, range low taken. So we can expect price should gravitate towards this size. Okay, we'll see. So let's come to the GBP USD. What are we doing here? Come to monthly. As we have discussed, we do have SMT with EU here. Okay, where is the dotted line? Okay, we have SMT with EU. This is weaker. I can say this is weaker. Also, we have this target. This is clear target. See, fair value gap with this lows is perfect target. Come to monthly. Yeah. So what do we have? We have SMT also, and we have drawn liquidity also available. We swept this previous candle high also. What I am expecting? I am expecting price should respect the 50%. In this area, price should form the monthly wick and it should continue downside. Okay, this is my expectation. Looking bearish from the monthly, not confusing like euro. And what do we have here? If this is a true reversal, we need expansion. Yes, we expanded here, but this week failed to expand. So from where it can expand now? From this highs. It can again, open, sweep this high and go down, or maybe form some kind of SMT with euro. So we will see. Now weekly, what we are doing here? We came down. We are rejected from this low. Okay, this is the whole idea. And from the daily, what do we have? Okay, expansion going in, expansion coming down. So in this is here we have reversal signature. But what happened recently? Expansion coming in towards this low. Now expansion going out. So this from here daily also it is showing some kind of reversal signature. But from where this GBP is reacting from this order block, or we can say this fair value gap. Okay, so this fair value gap try to push price lower. But what happened here? This fair value gap price retested this one, try to push price lower, it succeeded. Price closed below. That means we form the swing. This candle is supposed to expand, but why it didn't expand it to the downside? Now what we form here? We came down, we swept the low, and this candle close up. That means what? We are forming the swing. Now we are forming the swing to the downside. So the short-term target, these highs are the short-term target. Okay, so I am expecting price should gravitate towards this high to take this liquidity. Okay, we'll see. And come to the 4 hour, what do we have? Do we have any kind of signature in lower time frame? Okay, expansion coming in. We saw some kind of consolidation. Now price is moving to the upside. It is not that clear, but only thing I can see, price invalidated this bearish candle, this bearish fair value gap. This can act as a support to push price to the upside to these highs. Okay, if you come to the 1 hour, what do we have? This is not looking like slow retracement. Failure swing are there, like expansion. Now what? This is looking like more to me a retracement move. If it is a retracement, see expansion, slow move. Then what we need? We need expansion to the downside. So from H1, it's looking bearish. Okay, we'll see. Our daily candle will show us the idea. Okay, what we wants to do. So we don't have to predict so many things. If price wants to continue down, it can easily sweep these highs and disrespect the 50% of this bullish candle and go down. We will react by then. Okay, so we'll see. If yeah, if price will disrespect the 50% of this candle, then we will look to target to downside. But prior to that, we need some kind of protected swing. Let's suppose Monday open, swept some highs and close down. Then we look to target downside. If Monday expanded, it is forming the daily profile perfectly like open, low, high, close, something like that. We will look to target these highs first. Okay. Then after we'll see. Okay. Let's come to GBP, JPY. Let's come to gold first. Gold clear bullish price action. Come to the monthly open. We are above the monthly high, weekly also bullish. And what do we have? We came to this fair value gap and we expanded. We formed the swing point. So Monday I am bullish in dollar gold, and the nearest drawn liquidity is this highs. Okay. If price will open, come down first, then I look to target this high. This is my idea. Like same thing happened here. Same thing also happened here. Friday close, Monday expand. Unfinished business. Friday closed from the swing point, Monday expanded. But what happened most of the time during ACFC? Monday expansion here also. Unfinished business. Okay, Monday expand. But what happened during the ACA gold expand? So that time then we cannot take any trades on the ACA. So I wait for London. So what I want price should open. It should at least come down and come down. Let's suppose towards this fair value gap. Okay, then form the low of the day, and that would be great to take trade. Okay, if it's formed within our time zone, within our kill zone. If you see what do we have? Expansion to the range. That means first. That means this is a continuation move. Maybe some kind of sweep of these lows, and we should continue to the upside. This is the clear target in the on the gold. Okay. Okay, these all are the majors. Let's analyze other pair what they are doing. I don't look these pairs, but let's see. Remove the drawing. So what we did on the monthly, yeah, we came to here. We we kind of not a not a good respect, but yeah, we kind of closed highs and we form the order block also. I can say closing of this down close candle. If we are bullish, we should respect this down close candle. Okay, come to the weekly. What do we have? Do we respect it? Yes, we respected. How? On weekly, we form the swing point. Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3 is closing above this down close candle. It's clear, like it's looking bullish to me. Okay, so what will be the target? This is the first target, and this is the ultimate target. Okay, if price wants to continue, it should form the wick here. Let's suppose here, because the body closed here. It should open, came down, and form the wick, and it should expand. AUD USD. See the signature, V-shape signature. Okay, this is the V-shape signature. It's a very good signature for reversal. Yes, AUD is looking good, to be honest. Then Euro and GBP, AUD is looking good. Okay, so we do have V-shape signature. What drawn liquidity do we have? We have this highs first. We do have the drawn liquidity. Then after we'll see. Then what we did? Uh, okay, we form the reversal closing over this down close candle. Okay, now what we are doing? We came to the fair value gap. Yeah, this is the candle to closer, the kind of respect candle. If you see here, this candle Friday candle is supposed to expand, but it tried to expand but is failing. So maybe next candle can, what can happen? Next candle can sweep the previous candle low, something like that, and expand. There is one possibility here. Also, we can consolidate and again sweep this low and expand. So these are failure thing. If you see here, see These are fail versing. Low, high, close highs. These all are fail versing. So this could be the very good drawn liquidity. And also this reversal is not supporting, expansion to this, like the this choppy price action. If you see expansion and looking like more like retracement, not aggressive move. Yeah, we'll wait. So if I consider this piece of price action, expansion. Let's suppose this is reversal. What happened? We rejected the low, expansion into consolidation. Then what we have done here? This is the consolidation high. This is the consolidation low. We taken the consolidation high. We taken the consolidation low. If we are bullish, ideally we should expand from here. Okay. If we are bearish, ideally this is the protected high. Now this fair value gap should support the price to the downside. If it's supported and price closed below this consecutive up close candle, then we can see price will come down and take these all lows. Okay, this can be possible. We'll see. I'll not see. I'll see end of the week because I am not interested in this pair. I only trade Euro GBP, Gold, and JPY. GBP JPY. Come to the NZD, what it is doing. Okay. We have SMT. Yeah, this is the target. Okay, price from monthly open now is expanding, supporting this bullish, bearish price action. Okay, good. Then what do we have in weekly? Clear downside move. What we have done here, we came to this lows and now we closed above. Yeah. So what do we have here? We have fair value gap on the weekly. Okay. Also, we are closing to the high near to the highs. We can sweep and we can expand. This can happen also. What do we have? Expansion, and is this looking like retracement or reversal? No, it's clear retracement. If you see this one, expansion, see this move, see this bunch of liquidity. I am expecting downside move. Clear. We'll see. Okay, come to the daily. What what do we have? What do we have in daily? We have sorry, I had to pause because my manager came. Okay, so what do we have daily? We have these highs. So basically, I am expecting price should open and form the week of the candle, weekly candle here. Then we can look to target to the downside. So yeah, bearish on the NZD USD also. So what do we have in USD JPY? Come to monthly, what do we have? We have equal highs. We set the, like, basically this is a consolidation on the monthly. Also, if you see, what do we have? We we have taken the low, range low, tried try to expand. Yeah, now aggressively closing down. Like this is the ranging price action, sweeping highs, sweeping lows. There is nothing here. Okay. But what happened from the daily? We can see this. If I will consider this piece of price action, what do we have? Expansion going to the highs, then expansion coming to the downside, and we close below this consecutive up close candle. Like this is more looking like reversal. If this is a reversal, that means price should respect this up close candle, and it is respected here also. If you see candle to closer, so price I want price to come down. Okay, what will be the target? This this okay, this will be the target. So yeah, looking more not fully bearish because we are inside the range, but short term we are looking bearish. Okay. Also, if you see, there is equal lows. See this close lows. If you come to the 4 hour, you will see, this is clear equal lows here. Okay, so let's confirm the reversal. Do we have any confirmation? Yeah, we do have confirmation here. Price closed below this consecutive up close candle, now expansion. But what happened? We rejected heavily from this low. This is not a good sign. So now what? What are we doing here? We are inside this fair value gap. We are ranging. I am expecting price should sweep. Price will sweep this high. Then we can look to target this lows. Okay, this can be the possibility. Yeah. Also, if we will let Monday to close, if Monday will close below this candle, then we can look to target Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday should continue to the downside. Okay, we can wait also to get more confirmation because as we are inside the range. So come to the USD CAD. What do we have? We have drawn liquidity to the upside. Okay, I am not expecting reversal from here. This is close highs. So come to the weekly. What do we have on weekly? Weekly candle closed inside the range. Okay, and what we formed the key level, weekly fair value gap. Now if we come to the daily, what we are doing in the daily? Okay, we respected this fair value gap. Nice. Monday, Tuesday low of the day. Wednesday, Thursday expanded to the upside. Very good price action. If we are bullish, what I want this down close candle to support the price. And it's supported. Here, if you see, price exactly retested this down close candle and expanded. Now, now what? Now we are above the high. This is looking like more consolidation. Yeah, this is consolidation. If you see expansion, consolidation. So we will wait for this range to get taken and we will look to target the high. Okay. So yeah, this is all about the USD measures. Let's talk about GBP, JPY. What are we doing in JPY? So in monthly, we opened, we came down below this monthly low. Now this is showing this rejection. Okay. So do we have any kind of SMT? Yes, we are forming SMT. We are forming SMT with Euro JPY here. Okay, come to the weekly. Let me align this. Okay, if we come to the weekly, what do we have? This is the clear rejection. You can see from the lows, we have clear rejections. But are we bullish? I don't know because this is not the typical C2 closer. We have to see the daily how it formed. But if I want to bullish, I want then coming week to form the low somewhere here and it should expand. Okay, this will be the invalidation of the bullishness. Let's see the daily fair value gap. Nice confirmation. Expansion going in, expansion coming out, closing above this candle. That means what? This is the swing formation with SMT. And yeah, we need one more protected swing for the week to continue towards this highs. This is silver swing. Okay. So let's wait for Monday and let's wait for Monday to form the swing point. Then we will look to target. Swing point means protected swing. If you see what we are doing, expansion in, expansion out, came down, retested this fair value gap. Again, we form the fair value gap. That's mean what this is a continuation signature. Bullish fair value gap are forming. Okay. Very good price action. JPB, JPY looking. We'll look to buy on the Monday also. Let's see. Because Monday we do have news. We'll look to buy. Okay. We'll look to buy and we'll target these highs. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, bullish on GBP, JPY also until the price invalidated the idea. If I am bullish, what I want price to form the wick here, wick within this 50% range. Okay, Monday. I am bullish on Monday. Let's suppose Monday form came down. I look to target this high. Okay, we have this high with fair value gap. We can look to target. Okay, guys, this is all about the pairs. And what do we have? We have nice drawn liquidity for Monday on the gold as well as Euro USD and GBP USD. I am not sure. And GBP JPY, yeah. So I look to trade GBP JPY and gold. These two pairs I will look to take trade on the Monday. Gold, I have bullish buys toward this high. GBP JPY, same bullish buys toward this high. Euro USD will wait. GBP USD also ranging. I will wait. And yeah, these two pair I am looking for Monday. So after Monday, we will see how this price action develop on the dollar also. Dollar, we are not sure what it wants to do. It's now ranging. So we need to wait for this range to take it out. Okay, guys, thank you.